Hello students, welcome to Swapna Physics classes. In this class, I am going to explain the Telangana State Inter Board exam pattern for physics paper. Okay, for physics paper, the total marks allotted are 60 marks, and for this paper, you will have three sections. You will have three sections: section A, section B, and section C. And section C. Okay, section A contains 10 very short questions. 10 very short questions, and you have to attempt all the 10 questions. You have to attempt all the 10 questions, and each question carries 2 marks. 2 marks for 10 questions will be 20 marks. Okay, and section B contains 8 short questions. 8 short questions, and each question carries 4 marks. Okay, out of these 8 short questions, you have to attempt 6 short questions. You have to attempt 6 short questions. Okay, and each question carries 4 marks. 4 marks for each question. Okay, 4 marks for 6 questions will be 24 marks. Okay, and coming to section C, 3 long questions are given, and out of these 3 long questions, you have to attempt 2 questions. You have to attempt 2 questions, and each question carries 8 marks. Each question carries 8 marks. For 2 questions, the total marks will be 16 marks. Okay, for physics exam, the total marks are 60 marks. Okay, in physics exam paper, there will be 3 sections. Okay, and first section contains very short questions, section B contains short questions, and section C contains long questions. Okay, and in this lecture, I am going to give very important list of long questions. I am going to give very important questions of long questions. Okay, and I am just giving you 4 questions. Okay, if you go through these 4 questions, you will be able to attempt 2 questions. You will be able to attempt 2 questions in your examination. These 4 questions are enough for attempting 2 questions from section C. Okay, let's see what are those questions. As per our blueprint, the question paper, as per the blueprint of physics question paper, from work, energy and power, you are going to have 2 questions in your exam. Okay, from work, energy and power. Work, energy and power, you will get 2 8 marks questions. Okay, so from this lesson, I am going to give you 3 very important questions, essay questions, so that you can attempt 2 questions in your examination. And if you want to attempt extra question from thermal properties of matter, if you want to attempt one more question, you can attempt it from thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter. So as per blueprint, you will get 1 question, 8 marks question. Okay, from thermal properties of matter, you will get 1 8 marks question. Okay, I will give one very important question from thermal properties of matter. Okay, these 4 questions are enough for preparing for your examination. Let's see those questions. The first question from work energy power. The first question from work energy power is: describe the notions of work. Describe the notions of work and kinetic energy. Describe the notions of work and kinetic energy. Show that it leads to work energy theorem. Work energy theorem. Okay, and this question also contains a problem. A problem will be attached to this question. What are those problems? I will explain whenever I am explaining this question. ఓకేనా, ఈ క్వశ్చన్కి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏం అటాచ్ చేసే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయో నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, అండ్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఆర్ కొలిజన్స్? What are collisions? Explain the possible types of collisions. Develop the theory of one-dimensional elastic collision. Okay, and coming to the third question from work energy and power. Coming to the third question, state and prove law of conservation of energy. In case of a freely falling body. And for this question also a problem will be attached. Okay, these are the three important questions from work energy and power. Okay, just take the screenshot or copy in your notebook. In our next class I will explain each and every question. Okay, in our next class I am going to explain this question with notes. Okay, that notes will be enough for attempting this question in your examination. And one more question from thermal properties of matter is, let's see that. From thermal properties of matter, what is the question? Let's see. Question number 4. Explain Newton's law of cooling. And state the conditions under which Newton's law of cooling is applicable. Okay, for this question also a problem will be attached. What are those problems we will discuss furtherly. Okay, so these are the only 4 important questions which are enough for your IPE examination, that too Telangana State Board examinations. Okay, this is for first year intermediate examination. Okay, we will discuss these questions one by one in our next lectures. Okay, bye.